Pink's final concert. Oh, it was a family affair to remember. Picture this, her 7-year-old son, Jameson, behind the drum kit, totally rocking out. Yep, Pink's little guy made his drumming debut at her Summer Carnival tour's last stop in Orlando on November 18th. And guess what? He didn't just tap around. He slayed a cover of Queen's "We Will Rock You." The crowd went wild. Jameson wasn't alone in the spotlight, though. Pink's 12-year-old daughter, Willow, joined her for a heartwarming duet of "Cover Me in Sunshine." Talk about a proud mom moment. Willow's been sharing the stage with Pink more often lately, and it's clear this family has music in their veins. But here's the cherry on top. Pink's husband, Carey Hart, captured the whole thing on Instagram. His post, pure gold, he gave a heartfelt shout out to Pink, saying, "To the baddest performer in the game. You've pushed through injury, fatigue, homesickness, illness, momming everything. I couldn't be more proud after 18 years of marriage. That's the kind of love that deserves its own standing ovation." It's not every day you see a superstar share the stage with her kids and make it a teachable moment in resilience and teamwork. If you've ever juggled a hectic schedule or just tried to keep up with life's chaos, you know how tough it can be. Pink's out here reminding us that family and passion can coexist even if it's messy sometimes. So, while this chapter of her tour wraps up, one thing's clear, the Hart family isn't just talented, they're a team. And hey, maybe we'll see Jameson or Willow headlining their own shows someday. For now, we'll just keep cheering them on and rocking out to Pink's hits, knowing she's not just a great artist, she's one incredible mom.
That were canceled. And I wanted to tell you that I am so deeply sorry that I will not be able to make those shows up. For the last couple of months, I have been performing with a torn bicep and 2 torn meniscus, both knees, my left knee. Obviously, some of you have seen the videos where I couldn't actually even walk in a show. So I'm gonna have surgery in a week on my shoulder, and then I'm gonna have surgery in 9 more weeks on my knee. And I'm gonna be the bionic woman, and I'm gonna come back stronger and harder than I've ever done, because that's what I do. But I apologize, that's the reason why I can't make up those shows, because I have a scheduled surgery that I desperately need. I've been in a lot of pain for many months. I've had a lot of cortisone coursing through my veins. You can ask my husband. And I'm gonna slow down for a minute